Hello, I am Christian Falcones and this is my PMS in Excel. Today we will see how to solve a typical problem when you don't want a file since a system. Maybe the system don't have the same decimal separator with your computer. This is a trouble because it's not the same because for this computer, this has a string chain. It don't zoom, it don't rest, it don't multiply, or it's a trouble. You could do nothing with this information. And also, if you accidentally 300, you use make enter 3000, you could have serious mistakes. Then we need to solve it. How to solve? First step, you must to recognize what is your trouble. Only the decimal separator or also the thousands separators. The thousand separators, how to know it? Easy. 25,000. I don't have any separator for the thousand. 2,000. I don't have separator for the thousand. 1,000 and the rest. But it's a systems. The information is uniform. Then use to solve. Select the columns and replace. How to replace? Go to home, print, print replace, print replace. What's a point? Use here is would you move to type point with what? Comma, comma, and replace all. Trouble solved for all. Fine, it's all. So easy for this case. If you want more, please give me a like and subscribe for easy tips for users in Excel. So nice to make this video for you. Great. Bye.